What are all these penguins doing on rocky, slippery cliffs? Are they lost? Are they being chased? Before we find out, like and subscribe for more real stories from the wild. This is Antarctica in summer. The ice has melted, revealing the harsh shoreline beneath. Can the penguins survive here under these conditions? Actually, yes. This is where they live and raise their young during the warmer months. They've just returned from a trip out to sea. Some with food in their bellies, others with fish for their chicks. Getting in and out isn't easy. The rocks are slick, the waves are rough. And penguins? Not exactly built for climbing, but every trip matters. Every slippery step gets them closer to the colony above. Closer to their mates, their nests, their purpose. This is survival. Like and subscribe to see what's really happening out there.